a little bit more. Hey. Yeah.
What's going on, chat? What's going on, YouTube? It's gonna be another video with Jakisa Amir, man. Today we're gonna try to install a clutch master cylinder from Tick Performance. Right now I'm getting at 660 range. I'm getting my clutch to stick to the floor during drag racing, and I don't pretty too much like that, so I need a little bit more hydraulic pressure. So I'm installing a Tick Performance clutch master cylinder today. We're gonna try to follow the instructions. It's gonna be the first time of me doing this, so y'all gonna be on the journey, learn from my mistakes. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out at the end of the day. So we're gonna be on our way to the shop now, and I'll see y'all when we get there and we can start. What's up, chat? We back. It's the next day and I couldn't record what was left of what I had to do because the shop had closed, or was about to close, so I had to hurry up and bleed the system and everything. But if I do, when I start editing this video and I see like the part where I finished that, I'm gonna show y'all like the bleeder location. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen or inside the video. But now we're in the sunted area. I'm gonna show y'all what Sicario looks like now and how the brake pedal feels. So, but it feels way stronger than what it used to feel. We got a lot of air out of the system, and that's how hard you had to kick down now. Much more playback. It pushes right back. It's way stronger than it was before. But I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna show y'all that it is a TIG Performance adjustable clutch master cylinder. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like down here. See those two bolts that are back there? That's what it's mounted to. But I got that in, and the adjustable part where it kind of like hangs on, it has a little ring inside of it so it doesn't come out. And I'll show you guys under the hood what it looks like also. Car is kind of dirty, don't mind that. But as we got back here, I'm gonna get a light in here real quick. I didn't hook up my remote reservoir yet because I didn't have too much time to, and it's wobbling right now, so I gotta figure out a way to tighten it up. But zip tied everything, put that line, routed the line. This new master line that comes on the TIG Performance clutch master cylinder, it has a 90-degree AN fitting on it, a little silver piece right here, and I routed it down under the steering shaft, make sure it doesn't get heat by the headers. And it's wrapped up on the car. It goes to the factory location of the old one. As y'all will see in the video, I have the old one and I pulled both of them out. I put them both side to side, and one's thinner, the other one's thicker. More fluid flow, more hydraulic pressure, and that's what we're getting right now. Way more hydraulic pressure. But when I start up the vehicle now, I have to damn near put my whole foot down to the ground to even start the car. So I might adjust the linkage a little bit more so that it'll be outwards or inwards a little bit more, so I can actually start the car without putting my foot all the way down. Like, I had to put my foot all the way to the damn floorboard for the thing to turn on. As I'll show y'all real quick, because y'all ain't heard Sicario in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I'm gonna show y'all what it actually does for it to actually turn on. So I have to put my foot all the way down and then try to just better. I took it for a test run yesterday, but I think I have an actual slave cylinder problem because it actually still sticks to the ground when I go like full-fledged RPM, like around 6K. So I'm gonna do a clutch install, and after I do a clutch install, I'm gonna just put a new slave in it with the billet sleeve or something from like GPI or something like that. And that should fix the problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, then I don't know what to do, But other than that, this is the installation of a TIG Performance clutch master cylinder. Bigger bore, more hydraulic fluid, and it works like it should. Thank y'all for watching this video. Sorry if it was all over the place. I didn't go into details I wanted to go into detail, but at the end of the day, we got the video done. If y'all have any questions about the install or about how to install it, how to adjust it, y'all can leave comments in the comment section. There's also other questions I know y'all would want to have about the installation, so y'all just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all next video.